Hey guys, and welcome back to another RV tour. Behind me we have a Surveyor Legend 202 RB LE. With its pass-through storage, outdoor kitchen, and open floor plan, you're not going to want to miss it. Let's go. Here we have the pass-through storage, good for just things you don't want to keep inside. Take away the clutter. This pass-through storage is super open, so you're able to fit so much stuff. And the one thing I always say is an essential to have in your RV is an outdoor kitchen. This one isn't as extravagant, but it has the necessities, everything you need. From your ever chill mini fridge to a spot to put your griddle, even a spot to prep the food. You can't really ask for much else. Here's the griddle. It was in the pass-through storage. Again, perfect place to put everything you don't want out in. Does that make sense? Time to get that bacon sizzling to the inside. Talk about a beautiful day. This kind of weather is getting me pumped for camping season. Who can agree? Being in this Surveyor 202 RB LE is like having your own little studio apartment, but on wheels. Amazing. Ready to sit back and watch a Guardians game? These recliners are going to make sure you have a comfy time. With it being a perfect view to this TV that can also be moved to face your bedroom. Let's check out this bed. You have this RV queen with wardrobe on your left and on your right and also above. So if you're anything like me and you have to bring everything just because you won't know what you're gonna want to wear until the day of, pack it all. There's space. There's also space below too. Now who doesn't love a good bar? Even when it's in your house, even better. Whoever's the cocktail maker of the group, you can be on the other side while someone like me will wait for my drink. And your kitchen, you have prep space to prepare breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And I love this farmer sink. I specifically like that the interior of the sink is black. With most sinks you're seeing that silver, I just think the black adds a little extra touch and gives it more of a modern feel. And with the kitchen, you also get a cutting board, and not only can you use this as a cup, you can thank Surveyor for that, you can also stick it in here and use it as a place to put your utensils so you don't have to have it all over the counter. We have the cupboard space above, you have your drawers below, you have your oven, 3-burner cooktop, and your microwave. Now the fridge is right by the door when you walk in, and some people might think that's a little weird. I personally like that feature because if you need to come in for a drink, say what you want isn't out in the mini fridge outside, you don't have to track dirt all the way through to get to the fridge. You literally one step inside. Easy cleanup. You get more space for snacks, games. What else do you bring to the campground? Comment down below. To the bathroom. And here we have the bathroom. I'm going to B-roll over this just because I can't show everything while also having my face on the screen, so sorry. Behind me you have your sink, a counter space for your soaps, your face washes, and you also have a medicine cabinet as well with a spot for your toothbrushes. You have your toilet seat along with some extra cubby space for towels, washcloths, etc. And you also have hooks above for towels and robes. Your stand-up shower with a skylight, so it not only makes it feel taller, but with that light coming in, it just gives you a better feel in the shower. Maybe that's just me. I'm curious who agrees. You also have the indents into the shower to hold your shampoos, conditioners, body washes, shaving gel, whatever you keep in the shower, it is not my business. It's also a removable shower head, so whether you have a dog or a kid or just for yourself, it's easier to get in all the crevices. Removable shower heads are always nice. And there you have it. That is the Surveyor Legend 202 RB LE. You can find it at Avalon RV Center, now a part of the RTD RV family at our Medina, Ohio location. Or if you can't come in, you can check our website, www.avalonrvcenter.com. See you next time.